Happy to be back in the kitchen with Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken. And Gina, I have become a little bit maybe obsessed lately with making sure I'm getting enough protein, and that's exactly what we're talking about today.
We are. I think that consumer demand for protein is at an all-time high, and we can get protein from both plant and animal sources. I like to think of plant protein, our pulses, like our lentils and our beans, as being a wonderful source of dietary fiber and antioxidants, and then our animal protein, like our chicken, being an excellent high-quality complete protein, wonderful for building and maintaining that lean body mass. Also, we can only get vitamin B12 from our animal-based proteins, but you don't have to pick one or the other, Terry. You can bring them together for delicious, nutritious meals. And chicken is just such a great protein to build your meals around, and it really helps you boost the protein in your diet.
I love it. And so blending our proteins is exactly what we're doing today. Tell us about this recipe.
Okay, we're making a wonderful recipe. It's one of our favorites. It's our warm grilled chicken, spinach, and bean salad. So it brings together that chicken along with the plant protein and all kinds of great veggies. So the way this comes together, the recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts, really simple marinade, balsamic vinegar, and Dijon mustard. 4 chicken breasts, get those out on the grill, let them marinate for at least an hour, or I like to marinate them overnight, and then while that chicken is grilling, you can whip up everything else. So Terry, I'm gonna help you, or get you to help me make this delicious dressing. It kind of combines that savory and sweet. So it's gonna start out with a 1/4 cup of your canola oil.
Okay.
Get you to whisk that. It has a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. I love fresh lemon juice because it's not as tart but more flavorful. We've got 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We've also got our sweet. We've got a couple tablespoons of maple syrup.
Oh, interesting.
A little bit of salt, a little bit of cayenne goes into this dressing.
Gina, I'm liking the sounds of this.
And then a couple cloves of course, we have to have a little bit of minced garlic there.
Yes, please.
Okay, so you can take half of that dressing and pour it over your mixed beans. So you buy a large can of mixed beans. You let that dressing marinate on the beans. You can put that in the fridge. You can even do it the night ahead. And then you can bring this salad anywhere you want to go. Keep the dressing separate, or you can serve it family style. So Terry, we are going to build our own salad. You can add as much of everything as you like, your yellow pepper, your red onion, your beans. Of course, we love our toasted walnuts.
And I've been hearing that the walnut is the superior of all the nuts out there. So happy to include this in there.
Yeah, it's a delicious source of omega-3. It gives that crunch. And you can add as much grilled chicken as you want to this salad. And we've got tons of great recipes on manitobachicken.ca that marry up both those plant and animal proteins, like our chicken and lentil salad, our chicken and navy bean soup. So the sky is the limit, but this is really one of our top favorite recipes.
I love this. And again, the beans just need a rinse and then the marinade on them. That's
exactly
all it takes.
Delicious. Yeah, sometimes you can eat it just as a bean salad.
Oh my goodness.
You can do your own thing, right? Just top it up however you like it.
And look at that finished product. Makes you want to dive right in. Thanks, Gina.
Thanks, Terry. Enjoy.
Brought to you by